Hey guys, subscribe to our channel and share with your friends. It really means a lot to us and helps our channel grow. Hello. I got a reservation. Yeah, we're going to the 3rd floor. Check it out, guys.
Hi.
Not too bad. I like it. Not too bad. Picked this one because the reviews look pretty good, and they also have a lot of amenities on the property. They have an arcade downstairs. What? Arcade and a bowling alley.
Oh my God, we're going bowling.
And we got a $5 gift card for the bowling alley and the arcade. So nice. They're gonna have s'mores at 6 and 8 o'clock outside, and a movie at the indoor and outdoor pool at 7 o'clock. So a lot of things to do here. So stay tuned, guys. Big E's Steak Saloon. Let's check it out, guys.
Why is that cold? So far it is going. Oh.
Hi, family. Awesome. We're making s'mores?
Yeah.
Yep.
Ooh, Mom. Mom got a good one.
Give me a chocolate
Alyssa?
sandwich.
Chocolate sandwich.
I don't like marshmallows.
Check mine out. Made a pizza. S'mores
it.
pizza. Mm-hmm. Oh yeah, good.
Like the real.
Good trip so far, Mama?
Yep.
Yep. Nice dinner. Nice road trip.
Full.
We saw a dancing bear. A bunch of animals. So. good
Close
time.
and personal.
Yeah.
Too close.
Arcade and bowling.
Ooh.
Not for
And Daddy can go watch the game while you guys play the games. Oh, it is. Yeah. Check that out. Check it out.
Dad, they have pool for you.
Yeah, awesome, huh? You guys want to play bowling? Yeah. Woohoo!
Wait. Wait, the numbers. Go! 1-1.
Let's. Woo!
Ah, voy a mí.
Strategy.
46.
Mom.
74.
That's it, Mom. Woo! Good morning, everybody. Morning, Mom. It's morning and we're getting ready to leave the hotel. And we're gonna grab us some breakfast here at the hotel. They got a nice little restaurant here. All right, guys. That's it for our time here at the Squire Resort, Best Western at the Grand Canyon. Hope you guys enjoyed the hotel video, and check us out in the next video of our day at the Grand Canyon. See you guys.